Hi, my name's Weidman. So this is a multi-axis wood turning class. My standard rule in class is, we like to do dumb things, but we like to do them smartly. So basically any rule that is in standard wood turning, we try to break them. Everything's off center. We don't use any sandpaper. We don't care about the cleanness of cuts, but we're making what I think are pretty cool shapes. There's probably some chainsaws involved. There's probably some angle grinders involved, and definitely there will not be any turned bowls by the end of the week. All that said, there'll be animals. So far there's spiders, dogs, mooses, a sloth. So far by day 3 we're in pretty good shape, and I think for the rest of the week it's going to get even better. So there's a ton of incredible classes to take here. The creative people that Marc brings in to teach are just world class. So please take a look at what's on the website and feel free to sign up, and we hope to see you here.